Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create this Geneva wheel mechanism in Solidworks. So this is the mechanism which is used for producing intermittent rotary motion. So let us see how to make it. Go to the file, new, part, OK. Now we'll first draw the support for this mechanism. So select the top plane and sketch on it. We'll draw simply a center rectangle of 40 by 20. OK. Feature extruded by a 5 mm. OK. Now we'll select this face and sketch on it, make it normal to. We'll draw two circles over here. First, second. OK. We'll draw one center line. Escape. We'll give smart dimension to this of 4 and 8 mm. OK. Make it this to be horizontal. OK. Now give the dimension from here. So this dimension from here to here. OK. Select smart dimension again. To here dimension will be 6.5 mm and here to here. OK. Now we will just select these two mirror entities and will mirror about this center line. OK. Go to the feature and extrude it by 12 mm. OK. Control save this. So we'll create a new folder in this new over here folder. We'll make it a Geneva wheel. So open this folder and we'll save it as a support. OK. So just simply close this. We'll go to the file, new, part. OK. Now we will draw the drive wheel of this mechanism. So simply select the top plane and sketch on this plane. We'll draw two concentric circles over here. Smart dimensioning this will be 43 mm and this will be 8 mm. OK. Go to the feature extruded by 5 mm. OK. Now we'll go on this, select this and make it normal too. We'll draw here one circle whose diameter will be 26.9. So select this 26.9. OK. We'll draw one more circle over here. Draw a circle, smart dimension it to be a 4 mm and define the distance from here to here to be 19.10. OK. Make it vertical. OK. Now from here we will draw one more circle through this and we'll give a smart dimension to this to be a 27. OK. Now we'll trim the unwanted entities over here. So trim these entities, cancel, trim entities. trim the unwanted entities. OK. Now we'll go to feature and extrude boss base, right? We'll extrude it by a 5 mm. Say OK. This is our drive wheel. So control save this as a drive wheel. We will close the sketch and we will go to the new part, that is the Geneva wheel. Simply go on top plane, sketch on it. Here in Geneva wheel we will draw again 2 concentric circles. OK. Smart dimension them to be 11.5, right, and this to be 8 mm. OK. Go to the feature and extrude boss base and extrude by 5 mm. OK. So we extruded it by a 5 mm. OK. So simply we'll go on this and we'll draw a sketch. So simply select this and make it normal too. So here we'll first draw a circle of diameter 38 mm. OK. So smart dimension it to be a 38 mm. OK. Then we'll draw a center line over here, from here to here. Escape. We'll draw a circle whose diameter will be a 4 mm. OK. And smart dimension this from here, OK, to here. This dimension would be how much? 7.9. So we'll keep it to be a 7.9. OK. Now we will draw one vertical line from here to here. Escape. We'll trim these entities. OK. Now select this and select mirror entities, mirror about this line. OK. Trim the unwanted entities. OK. Now if we check the dimension of OK. Escape. Now what we'll do, we'll select all these 3 and we'll make the circular sketch pattern. So go to circular sketch pattern and we'll pattern the number to be 4 over here. So simply say OK. Now we'll just trim the unwanted entities. So trim out this and this. OK. Now here we'll draw one center line. So we'll draw one inclined center line over here and one horizontal center line over here. Escape. We'll give smart dimension between them. Escape this. Select smart dimension this and this, 45 degree. OK. Now select a circle. Drawing a circle of smart dimension 27 diameter and distance, this will be a 27. So this inclined distance will be a 27. OK. Go to feature, go to sketch and trim the unwanted part. OK. Now we'll select this and we'll go to again circular sketch pattern. OK. Now trim the entities. So select this 2, this 2, this 2. OK. So here we'll just simply go to feature extruded boss base. So we'll extrude it by 5 mm, say OK. So in this way our Geneva wheel is ready. So control save this as a Geneva wheel. Now we will go to the assembly, close this, go to file, new, assembly, OK. Now over here we will browse the components that we have drawn. Simply select all these three and it will open one by one. First, second, third. Now this is fixed, but this should be a float and this one should be a fix because it is a support. We'll just move it away. Now we'll go for some mate. Simply select this cylindrical face and this inside face. Make a concentric mate. OK. Now select a mate again. Simply select this cylindrical face and this face. OK. OK. Simply select this inside face and this face, concentric mate. OK. Select this face again and this face, coincident mate. OK. Right. Over here. So simply close from here. Now what we'll do, we will give the color to this. So design library, appearances, go to the plastic, we'll give some color to this. So select high gloss. OK. Select this body and we have some more color. So we'll select this color for this our wheel body. Again for the base we'll select this color for the base body. So in this way our Geneva wheel is ready. Right. So we'll simply right click on this and make it normal too. So we'll just adjust it with this. OK. So adjust that clearly. Right. And this way. First see whether this is adjusted or not. This is adjusted now well. Right. Now we can just move this to this. So this is also adjusted over here. So we'll simply go to the motion study of this. So we are in the motion study now. So here we will select basic motion. Here we'll select the motion study property. We'll keep the frame per second to be 20. We'll increase this to 8 and also this to 8. Say OK. Now we'll apply the contact between these two. Right. OK. Then we'll select a motor. Select this face. Reverse the direction. Make 10 RPM per second. Say OK. Now we'll just increase it up to 12 seconds and let us see. Now we'll click on a calculate. So it will start now calculating. So for calculation it will take some time for calculation. After calculation you can see a smooth motion there. So let us play it again. So here you can see a smooth motion. So this is what a Geneva wheel drive mechanism which is used for producing intermittent rotary motion. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.